How to create a VK account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your VK application. Now at the bottom part, tap on sign up. Now enter your phone number and tap on continue. Now enter your code. Now enter your name and your date of birth and tap on continue. Now enter your password. Confirm your password and tap on continue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.